Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can clear the cache in the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Please friends, put likes under the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and write your comments after watching. So, let us get down to our topic friends. And in order to do that, you're going to need to open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit. And then you're gonna go to the main section. Next, find your iPhone's storage. Wait for it to spin up. It usually takes a little bit of time. And then scroll down. Find the WhatsApp app, click on it. Next step, friends, you will need to unload the app. After you unload the app after a few seconds or minutes, depending on how much information you had in WhatsApp, you'll also see here it says Reinstall app. Click on Reinstall. You don't have to worry, this way all your data will not still be saved. It's just this way WhatsApp app will clear the cache of unnecessary or corrupted files and will work as if you just installed it. This is the way, friends, you will be able to clear the cache of WhatsApp app on iPhone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write comments. See you soon.